Hey guys, how's it going? Once again, this is Ewan Henry with Tech in My Life. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. So it's late November and we're just around the corner from Black Friday. And this year, so me and my family did a lot of traveling this year. We went quite literally all over the place. Well, figuratively all over the place. We started off in San Diego. We made our way to Europe, to Greece, to Italy, to Tennessee later on, to Curacao. So we've done a ton of traveling. Now, the point I'm bringing up, well, the reason I'm bringing this traveling up is, like I said, Black Friday is around the corner, and there's some great deals on Amazon. And that brings me to some of the stuff that I purchased this year to make my travels a little bit easier, a little bit more convenient, but mostly memorable. I wanted to capture a lot of memories from our travels, and I wanted some convenience when we travel. Now, the first thing I picked up is this travel router. Now, this thing came in clutch so many times, so many ways. Whether I'm in the airport, whether I'm in a hotel, absolutely in the hotels. We were on a cruise ship for a while. So I'm able to use the travel router, jump on Wi-Fi, and the convenient part of it is my wife, my son, they have their gadgets and their devices. When on cruise ship, I only have to pay for one Wi-Fi and everybody gets it, because once I log in, it disseminates the Wi-Fi signal to all the devices. I'm able to pre-log in all the devices to the travel router. So it's just a matter of plugging the router in and everyone has Wi-Fi access. It works great in the hotels. We were in Athens in a hotel and they actually had the Ethernet. So I just plugged the Ethernet directly into the travel router. I have all my parameters pre-configured. So it was just literally quite plug it in, it powers on, and everyone has Wi-Fi. So this Beryl router, that's going to be a clutch item for you guys if you're doing any traveling. And what goes really well with the travel router is this battery backup, this power bank rather. So this UGreen power bank, it's a 25,000 milliamp hour power bank. And that came in clutch because, believe it or not, I was on the airplane. I paid for Wi-Fi on the airplane and I was able to plug the travel router into the power bank, power up the travel router, and me, my wife, my son, we all had Wi-Fi on the airplane. So that was pretty cool. But even outside of there, sometimes we're traveling, we were on a train, we were traveling from Rome to Pisa, and it was like a 4-hour train ride. Boom. We had enough charge for all of our devices. And again, the travel router came in clutch because there was one of those high-speed trains and they had Wi-Fi. So that was, again, just a great convenience. Now, when we're out there traveling, to capture all those memories, I grabbed this early in the year. This is the Insta360 X4. And that came in clutch again. And I also grabbed the GoPro Hero 12. Now, both of those two, when we were in Curacao, we got some great videos of us jet skiing, snorkeling, snorkeling with turtles. That was awesome. And those really helped capture those memories. Like I said, we started off in February in San Diego. I might have said Seattle earlier. It was San Diego, and we went to the San Diego Zoo. That was pretty cool. We walked around San Diego for a few days. That was great. We actually hit Hilton Head, South Carolina for 4th of July weekend. We were in Hilton Head, South Carolina. And again, the GoPro and the Insta360 came in clutch. We were able to capture some great memories, some fireworks. That was awesome. Now, once you're traveling and you're capturing all of those memories, what you're going to need is a way to transfer them from your camera to your storage device. So I have two 1 terabyte devices here. I have a SanDisk 1 terabyte USB-C SSD, and I also have a Crucial, again, 1 terabyte SSD USB-C for that speedy transfer. But this device here is by PGYTECH. Now this stores a bunch of cards, and it has a USB-C adapter here, plugged, so I get to store my cards and use it because it has the card reader built in, so I'm able to transfer from my devices, my GoPro. I plug the cards in from my GoPro into this card reader, transfer everything to my SSDs. Now, to do all of that, it's not just plug one into the, it's not like I'm plugging the SSDs into the SanDisk, it's plugging them into, yep, I picked up a MacBook Pro earlier this year also. Now, all of this, guys, the reason, like I said, I'm showing you this is because everything here is on sale right now on Amazon. Now, I must mention that I am an Amazon affiliate, so everything that I mentioned here, I'm going to put links in the description. And if you guys go and you grab any of this stuff, you're going to be helping me out a little bit because I get a little bit of that commission comes to me. Just got to let you know that I am an Amazon affiliate. But again, everything I'm showing you guys here, let's take a look here on this computer here. Here is the GL.iNet travel router. That's on sale, 33% off, 73 bucks. That's a great deal. I didn't get that deal earlier this year. That's a great price. The Insta360, oh, let's find the X4. That's on sale, Black Friday deal. That's on sale, 15% off at $424. The GoPro, that's on a really good sale. That's 25% off. The card reader, that's 20% off. The SSD, that's $79. That's not on sale, but I think when I got it, it was on sale. The power bank, that's on sale, 24% off. The MacBook, same MacBook, and you can see here I purchased mine in July of 2024. It's now on sale, 13% off. And what else we got here? Oh, last but not least, once I save all of that data, all of those files, all those big gigantic files, when I got home, I picked up this UGreen NAS, the DXB 4800 Plus. I picked that up earlier this year, and that is now on sale, 20% off. So there you go, guys. All of those, I'll leave a link in the description. You guys can check those out. And like I said, if you do, and when you do, some of that comes back to me, helps with the channel. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Like I said, hit that Black Friday Amazon sale up, save some money on these items because they're not cheap. I'll see you guys in the next one. Talk to you soon. Till then, be safe out there.